How do you write a headline for your LinkedIn personal profile? I'm going to show you some examples today of really great headlines that you can use for LinkedIn for your personal profile. Before we get there, what is your headline? The headline is the part of your LinkedIn profile that tells people what it is you do and who you do it for. If you do not write a headline on LinkedIn, it takes it from whatever your current role is down in your experience section. So let me just show you an example of that here. So make sure that you write a headline that attracts your ideal client to work with you and that they can see straight away whether you are the person and offering the service that they are looking for. I want you to post your LinkedIn headline in the comments below, and I will personally respond to each of them and make suggestions. So put your headline in the comments below and let's get to work. If you would like a copy of this little PDF, then there's a link below. So just go to the show notes and grab the link and you can get your own copy of this. So number one, what do you do? Who do you help? And what results can you deliver? For example, helping B2B companies generate leads on LinkedIn, LinkedIn marketing expert, driving sales growth through targeted content. Number two, your title and how you solve a problem. Title, business coach. How do you solve a problem? Guiding entrepreneurs to scale their businesses and increase revenue. Number three, who you help plus what you do plus your unique selling proposition. For example, helping consultants attract high quality leads on LinkedIn. What do you do? Lead generation expert, unique selling proposition focused on authentic connection. There are 3 headline examples, and if you want to get the other 5, then feel free to grab a copy of the little download below, and I hope this gives you some inspiration for your own LinkedIn headlines. For help with your LinkedIn headline, do grab my free template, which I have linked below to help you to craft the perfect headline for you. There are 8 different formulas. Find the one that fits for you and you will start attracting the clients that you want on LinkedIn with your LinkedIn headline.